Hello and welcome. So in this video we will learn to derive the expression for electric field due to a thick charged sheet or thick sheet of charge. So when sheet is thick, so the charge on a surface of the sheet has the effect on one side only. Either it is charged by on this surface or on this surface. So if it is on this surface, field will be in this direction, and if the charge is on this surface, field will be in this direction. And again we have to apply Gauss's theorem to know the expression for electric field. Again, for the application of Gauss's theorem, we have to think of a Gaussian surface conveniently so that we can apply the Gauss's theorem to get the expression. So again here the cylindrical shape is considered as a Gaussian surface and a portion ds is enclosed by it, and again sigma is surface charge density, that is charge per unit area, that is coulomb per meter square is the unit. So the charge enclosed here is again sigma into ds. So applying, again it is clear the direction of electric field and the normal vector both are parallel, so the angle theta is 0 degree. So applying Gauss's theorem, that is E ds cos theta is q by epsilon naught. We can write E ds cos 0 degree, q means sigma ds upon epsilon naught. So this E is total ds is sigma ds by epsilon naught. In this diagram it is clear, so the value of ds is only 1. In the previous derivation it was on both the sides, so the total ds was 2 ds, but in this particular case the value of total ds is only ds, so we can write this E into ds is equal to sigma ds by epsilon naught. So ds cancel ds, so E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Very important expression. We will use this expression in capacitor also. So if charge sheet is placed in a medium of permittivity epsilon, then E in that medium is given as sigma by epsilon. So electric field in that medium is given by the expression sigma by epsilon, and when air is around it, it is given by the expression E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So this is very important, and this is also called as Coulomb's theorem. Not the Coulomb's law in electrostatics, it is called Coulomb's theorem, and this expression is very useful to find out the electric field due to a sheet of charge, and we'll apply this concept in the capacitor in the next or in the due course of time. Thank you very much. So this is all about the application of Gauss's theorem.